Here we are at Counseling Spray Foam. Had another job. Yesterday we had about 37 degrees melting all this snow. Last night it got down to 28 degrees. So we came to the job. You can't really tell. It's a kind of steep driveway. Brought a ton of sawdust with us to park onto so we didn't start sliding. And here we have a nice little walking path to have a little bit of traction. Let's see you when I show you what job we got. Hey guys, forgot to take a video of the project we were working on before I started spraying, but grabbed a picture and check out this roof we were working on. It's built by Ron Bond. You can check out his YouTube page. It's Bondo Built. He does a lot of concrete work and stuff like that on his page, but he's going over his camp build on his page right now, and he built this roof himself. He handmade all those rafters there, bent them, held them in place, glued them, however he did it, I'm not sure. He's got a video of it that shows it all. But we're spraying 4 inches of close-cell foam in between those rafters and scraping it back flush to make sure he's got room to put probably pine up or something like that. But yeah, I figured I'd show you what we got going on here, and up next you'll see a couple of videos of us spraying. I'll tag Bondo Built in the description below, or just write it so you guys don't have to remember. But here's a couple of videos of us spraying, and then you'll see the end product at the end of the video. Here we got my helper Zach. He's got him in fast forward so it's not so long. He's got that board there. He's going through and scraping the foam back, and he'll take that board just like that and drag it down the studs to make sure there's no foam sticking out past the rafter faces. That way, when Ron decides to go put whatever his sheathing is going to be up, he won't have any issues with our foam. We try to do that on every job that we don't try to. We do that on every job that we go to. We make sure everything's behind the stud faces or rafter faces or whatever it is we're spraying, so sheetrockers or the workers can come in and get whatever sheathing's going up and make their jobs easy. Just a little insight on that. Alright, here's the final product. It came out pretty well. Should be nice and tight for Ron, and he's going to be driving this thing down the road as it's going to be a mobile camp. So that'll hold it all right together. But we're all set here, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, wouldn't mind if you hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.